Hyperliquid has just made all-time highs today, and within the week, I would assume that it's gonna go and test that $60 level, so long as bullish Bitcoin, big bad Bitcoin, wants to play ball. Hyperliquid has been in this just ridiculous bull run. Just my God, ever since the moving averages flipped. Like if you caught this signal over here, this flip break retest at this $17 level, we've been literally riding the trend the entire time, all the way up here. Like what a rally this has been. And I am definitely looking for that pullback to that $50 level. As you can see, it's been resistance, resistance, resistance. And just in case you couldn't see it, resistance here, boom, resistance here and here. And we're waiting for that pullback to get back long to ride this trend. It could go straight to $60, but it would be really nice if we can get a nice pullback to $50 before we then take it up again, because that would give Hyperliquid the fuel it needs to really push it all the way back up there. And as of right now, it'll be about a 50% retracement. Let's see, if it went up to $60, if it just went straight shot to $60, then this, if the pullback to $50 would be kind of like a close to a 61% retracement. But I like that discount. I like the discount off this highs. We got a beautiful uptrend, super bullish. I am not a long-term bag holder. I'm really regretful about that. It's just all the moon boys scared me, to be honest. And I just didn't understand the tech all that well. But my God, this thing super bullish, can't stop, won't stop. I'm really loving it, and we're definitely waiting for this pullback to that $50 level. I also come bearing gifts. So besides Hyperliquid, these are the top coins that I'm looking at right now. So I totally forgot to mention FWOG in this video. I recorded the whole video and I forgot to mention FWOG. Okay, so I caught an amazing setup on FWOG. I still got a long running on FWOG. The entry was down here at this green line where those arrows are. Beautiful trade, still holding it, still long. That's in a Discord right now, but definitely keep your eye on FWOG. So FWOG is currently retesting that, let's see, 4 cent. It's not 44 cent, but it's like, you know how these cryptos are, man. So it's retesting this key level right now. On a daily, it's failing, and it's probably gonna have a nice pullback. I got in really low. I got in like down here somewhere. I'm pretty sure that was like my exact entry. So I was really watching this. I was really hawking this level, and I'm actually still holding some of my long-term bags of FWOG, but I definitely caught this trade down here. Ran quite a far distance, ran for a 6R, so that's why I'm up 100%. But I'm still looking to scale into FWOG, because this key level right here is no joke, man. Like, look how many times this key level has held. So this is the type of stuff that you gotta look for when you're taking these SNR trades. Like, you know how strong a level has to be for it to hold this many times. That's madness, bruv. Don't miss out. So I'm still holding this trade. I'm looking for pullbacks to scale in, and so long as they keep defending this key level, I'm gonna keep buying. So Hippo is one of the coins that I'm looking at right now. It's not nearly as good as Hyperliquid, right? Like, it's kind of like beat down, it's downtrend long term. But what's most important for me is this market shift, the shift of momentum over here, as we're like now starting to show accumulation structures over here after making this bullish harmonic sequence over here. X, A, B, C, D, 8% discount from the highs. We are now starting to show accumulation structure down there. So I'm really looking to be interested in getting in Hippo. Should we continue to show some strength over here and pull back to this key level, give us a higher low, and continue to go through accumulation. Right now the confluence score is pretty weak, but I'm keeping my eye on it. Okay, then we got Resolve. Resolve is looking delicious. Exact same framework. Look, exact same as what I showed you on Hippo. That nice, this is like a Garley. It might be a Garley, but we're looking for that pullback to that 15 cent level, and then we want to take it up to the 618 level. Is going to have a bit of difficulty for sure, right around like this level right here. somewhere around here in this area, like exactly right where we reversed from already. Like that's clearly going to be some problems for it. So we're keeping an eye on this pullback to this key level, and it does have a nice little trend going right here right now. So I like how that's moving right there. So Gork is one that I am just tearing myself up about, because I was ready to get in Gork when I saw it. I want to say I saw it on this day, and I was just too damn slow, and it pumped, and I was like, okay, shit, I kind of missed the wave. And then it double bottom, and I literally was going to set up a trade setup on this day, on this candle right here, on this candle, this almost bullish engulfing candle. I was ready. I was like, okay, Gork looks great, let's long it. I don't know what happened. I got busy. I'm working on an app. I got multiple businesses going on, and I forgot. I completely forgot, and then it just took off. The trade setup definitely would have been something like that, like a stop below that prior swing low right there. It's already kind of wide for a swing trade, for a entry like that, because I want to usually be as close to the level as possible, quite honestly. But this thing just took off like a bat out of hell. It would have gave you a 5R. Ugh. Jeez. So that would have been delicious. So right now it's looking like it's not one of it doesn't look like it wants to stop. I could potentially be interested in longs at this minor level right here. This is a level right here. I could be interested at this level here, but we'll see. Right now the day just started, so this candle is not valid until it closes, but it's looking good. If we can get a break and retest at this level, that would be fire. That'd be great. Like a nice little break of this key level, breakout, pullback, continuation. Oh yeah, I'll be right now. Look at the confluence score right now. 5 on the confluence score, breaking market structure. RSI is bullish, still below that 200 EMA, so that's definitely bearish, but hey, is looking good, man. This is a beautiful accumulation structure right here, man. Like, it's just gorgeous. So keep your eye out for Gork. This is what dreams are made of right here. This is clear accumulation, higher highs, higher low, breaking structures internally, working structures on the outer band as well. Yeah, this is great. And then lastly, we have Plume. I'm really liking Plume. I really like this sign of strength. I mean, it was straight pumping for about 5 days of straight pumping, and it went up about 59%. So we're definitely gonna have to give back at least half of that, and that would place us at this key level right here. So I'm really looking at this level right here. We have multiple bounces off of these levels. Whoa, that is not the right tool. We have multiple bounces off of this level. Boom, boom. Well, this is a little bit messy. Delete. Boom. And then we kind of went through it a few times. So I got my alerts ready at this level at Plume. I'm keeping my eye on it. It got the framework as well. I mean, it's kind of an ugly M shape. This is kind of a wonky M shape. I can't really do that one, but it does have, it is showing a nice little accumulation structure. It is in a downtrend, so you do need to tread lightly with your risk. But I do think that it is setting up to make that move back to, is this 15 cent? Yeah, that's 15 cents. So if it does give you a pullback from 10 cent to 15 cent, that's 50% if you hold for that entire move back up. And it definitely can do it. Cryptos is super bullish right now, and I'm definitely looking for things to load my bags with. I am posting all of my trade setups as soon as I find these trades with edge. They are going straight into my Discord for people who are early founders in the Discord channel. If you want to get trade setups like these, please join the Discord. Please join the Patreon, and you'll have access to this. You'll have access to early access trade setups and my indicators that I've used in this video, and the indicators that I'll be using in future videos. This has definitely tremendously helped my trading, and I aim to help you as well. We also have weekly meetings on Sundays, so I will hope to see y'all there. If you found any value in this video, you already know what to do. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.